How to draw a shark step by step. So for the first step of making our shark, we're going to begin by making one long curved line with the C-like shape at the end. Nice job! Now right next to that C-like shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make a line. This line will be the nose of our shark. Next up, we're going to move right above what we have made so far. We're going to begin to make the top of the head of our shark. Now slightly to the left, we're going to begin to make two fins. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now I'm sure you noticed there's a big open space on the bottom of our shark. So now we're going to begin to make one big tail right at the bottom of the page. Let's go ahead and add one fin right below that C-like shape that we first made. Nice! Now let's move in that C-like shape and let's begin to add some shark teeth. Next up, we're going to begin to add some lines on our shark. This will help separate the colors. Right below that line that we just made, we're going to begin to add some shark gills. Last but not least, let's go ahead and make an eye for our shark. Great job today, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can keep you updated on the latest content. Now let's go color in our shark together.